it's been 2 weeks now, guys. So as you can see in the field, the second story already dried, and the wall is already been built. All the structure in the second story already has been done, and now we go to the roof part. As you can see on the back, the heavy beam already set up and will be placed on the placement that we have been set up on the plan before. Yeah, it's getting fast, very fast, and the weather is very supporting. There's no rain. Great progress. So far so good for the progress. We are right on the track as the time frame for this project, and let's see what's next in the progress. So for the roof part, we put an aluminum foil bubble after the roof framework. It's made of strong elastic and waterproofing material and freon. So it's safe and environmentally friendly, and also help to withstand and reflect the heat of the sun into the building. So after we finish doing the insulation for the roof, now all the workers start to doing the finishing inside of the building, such as for the wall, for the glass block, and everything that needs to be done for the inside or interior part. Okay, that's it guys for the third part of the Bali F-Letter Factory. As you can see, everything goes well. There's nothing problem in the field. So all the progress is right on the track. And the planning is to finish this project is around 2 more months. And this month is Augustus, so we'll be finished at October. And for you all, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the last part of the video, the finishing of Bali F-Letter Factory.